Kayagnaning pa magmasusi ning Fiestang Fernandino 2026, matagumpaya namang genapan ning Mutya Ning San Fernando 2026 presentation at casual wear competition inyang May 9 King SM City Pampanga Event Center. Formal lang pe pakilala king media at publiko, reng 13 official candidates akakatawan king kanya-kanyang barangay ning syudad San Fernando. Pe pakita rin kandidata in karelang confidence, elegance at personality king casual wear competition at dinisenyo ning fashion designer Mikey Chan. Tepakit mo naman king programa ing fashion show segment, apeli muna ng Janet Timbol Muñoz ning Kabaro Collection ay ang ginawa king fashion wear na rin kandidata. Agpangkang Councilor Harvey Kiwa kapag nasaning pageant ang magsilbing plataporma ng kultura, empowerment at makabayong Fernandino identity.
Kasi tamo naman po manibat kayong ibat, di ba? Pantunan tala talaga, ne, reng tuturing tamong jewel, ne, reng kaya katamong yung yaman ng San Fernando, no ne retang kaya katamong yening particular din ng Leguan na ni Fernandina, ne. Nanuno ka rin kita pamong screening da, talagang mabusisi na, ne, at alimu Leguan, ne, no ne itang gelingan da.
May natadya namang mensahe Mayor Vilma Caluag bilang suporta king balaw sa pamanyulong, king kultura at community engagement. Lidwal naman ing kabiasnan daren dalaga king question and answer iba't kareng miyembro ning press.
If you really want it, you can learn it. Dati talaga, aligo po talaga biasa mo Kapampangan.
Being a beauty queen is not just about glamour and high heels. It's about having a responsibility and influence. And
we all collectively agree that we do have a voice and we need to speak up for us to have a better governance, for us to have a better Philippines, of course.
Misunduing journey ning Mutya Ning San Fernando 2026 king advocacy and swimwear competition king May 16 king Rainwater Park Capital Town Pampanga bayingan tabayan ng Coronation Night ning Mutya Ning San Fernando 2026. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.